How to fix invalid license error code 315306 in Diablo 4. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your invalid license error code 315306 in Diablo 4. So for that, just simply go to your Diablo's 4 official website, and you can also download the application or the game from Steam or Xbox or any other gaming platform. And once you have the game installed in your device, and if you're facing any error code, so in order to fix that, all you have to do is just simply go to the account section from the top of the screen, and from there just simply go to the support section. And now in the support section you can see there are different options available. Since you want to fix the code, just simply on the search bar just paste the type of code or the error code that you are facing in your Diablo 4 gaming, and just simply click on enter, and you will be able to see bunch of different error code and their solution and how you can fix them. As you can see that there is no such code available, so that means this error code is temporary, and you have to wait for some time until this code will vanish, because sometimes there is bugs and there is some invalid traffic or other things that hampers your gaming experience in the gaming apps. So, and if these kind of error shows in your game, especially in your Diablo 4, so you just have to wait for some time so that this error code will vanish itself, because there is no such official error code that has been occurred so far in the Diablo 4. Because if this error code has been occurred in the past, the solution for fixing this particular would have been in the support team or in the support articles as well. But if you still doubt that there is some real problem, so all you can do is just restart your game, because sometimes your game gets stuck, and when you restart it, your problem should be fixed then and there. And you should also check your internet connection and other things, and your problem might fix then and there. And if you still find that your problem is not getting fixed, all you have to do is just simply wait, and you can also contact the customer care team, and you can also click on get help section from the top of the screen, and you can talk to the customer care support team and tell them about the error code that you are facing, and the Diablo team will definitely reach out to you and help you regarding solving this particular problem. So this is basically how you will be able to fix invalid license error code 315306 in Diablo 4. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.